In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill out a Bank of America paper check. Writing a check may seem like an outdated task in today's digital age, but it remains an essential skill whether you're paying rent, a utility bill, or gifting money. Let's break down the process to ensure clarity and confidence. First, let's focus on the top right corner of the check. This is where you write the date, which is crucial as it indicates when the check is written. Be sure to use the current date unless otherwise instructed. You'll want to write it in a format that's easily recognizable, such as MMDDYYYY. This information helps the person or business you're paying know when to deposit or cash the check. Next, move over to the line on the left-hand side labeled Pay to the Order of. Here you will fill in the name of the person or company you are paying. It's important to be precise with this name, as any errors could prevent the check from being cashed or deposited. If you're unsure of the correct name, double check your invoice or other documentation. Now let's talk about the small box on the right-hand side. This is where you write the amount of money you are paying in numerals. Be as clear and accurate as possible. Place the dollar amount right against the left-hand border of the box to prevent anyone from tampering with it. For example, if the amount is $45.50, write $45.50. Then there's the longer line directly below the payee line. This is the spot where you spell out the amount in words followed by the word dollars. For any amounts less than a whole dollar, write the cents portion over 100 as a fraction. Continuing with our example, you would write 45 and 50 $100. This serves as an additional verification for the bank. The bottom left corner is reserved for the memo line. This is optional, but it's a helpful section where you can note the purpose of the check, such as July rent or invoice number 12345. This can be useful for your records or for the payee's reference. Finally, on the bottom right-hand side, you'll find the signature line. Sign your name here exactly as it appears in your Bank of America account records. Your signature authorizes the bank to process the check, so make sure it's legible and matches what the bank has on file. And there you have it. You've completed filling out a Bank of America paper check, empowering you with another tool to manage your finances. Remember, a carefully written check can save you administrative headaches down the line. Thanks for joining me today, and happy check writing.